As Pope Francis continues to call for compassion toward migrants, Vincentian priests in Rome have opened their doors to refugees with a green thumb. Vatican correspondent Juliet Linley reports.
Our hope for this project for it to grow more, for it to go like worldwide so everybody will know about it.
Raphael loves the smell and feel of the flowers. For the Nigerian Catholic refugee, they're his future. He's one of 12 refugees seeking asylum in Italy who run Mediterranea, a flower and vegetable garden. It's a bustling business on 5 acres of land owned by the Society of St. Vincent de Paul in Rome. 25-year-old Angela, also from Nigeria, is a colleague.
I feel so happy because they are very nice to all of us, not only me. So I'm very happy. I'm grateful to be in this project.
Each migrant takes home about $460 per month. Father Giuseppe Carulli, who founded the project, shows me homemade rosemary salt and lavender sugar produced here. He says it's about changing the system and living out the gospel mandate to help the poor. And the organically grown produce is popular with city dwellers. The project is aptly named Mediterranea. As the logo shows, you can see the Mediterranean Sea. It represents the Mediterranean cultures, but also that very sea that so many migrants and refugees put their lives in peril to cross to seek a better future for themselves. Lydia, a volunteer, is dedicated to building that future.
It's so important for me to speak with them and to open my mind.
The refugees working here tell me they pray this garden inspired by St. Vincent de Paul will become a model that other religious orders can replicate around the world. In Rome, Juliet Linley, EWTN News Nightly.